Now from Place Ministries, another inspirational moment. Welcome back to Your Place.
Genesis 1, 3 through 5 says, "And God said, Let there be light, and there was light. And God saw that the light was good. And God separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness He called night. And there was evening, and there was morning, the first day." I began last week talking about the great solar eclipse. It was here and it was gone literally in just a matter of minutes. There was such great anticipation over this event, and for those that got to see it in person, I would say that God delivered right on time to the second. From the conversations and the social media posts that I saw, it seems like people were more than impressed by this event. There really seemed to be a pervasive sense of awe from many people. Maybe it was the momentary silence, or maybe deep down, people came face to face with the understanding of what Paul says in Romans 1, 19 and 20 about God making His existence evident to every single person. As you live out your place in life and ministry today, do so with confidence and enthusiasm about being a child of God. And remember, not all who viewed the eclipse had the full understanding from a faith perspective as you and I do. It saddened me last week when I heard people talk about how awesome nature was, but never connected the dots that nature didn't do this, God did it. Take heart today that God not only has revealed Himself to you and I in nature, but you and I have encountered Him in the most personal way. We serve an awesome God. And in a small way, last week, God showed us just a glimpse of who He is and what's to come.
Your Place is a weekday devotional from Place Ministries. Our focus is helping followers of Christ know how and why God created them, and be encouraged to do what God created them to do in life and ministry. For a list of free resources, go to placeministries.org and join us every weekday right here at Your Place.